Welcome to CDL PowerSuite's Classroom Portal. What we're seeing on the screen right now is the students that I have selected based on their location and start date. Student names are appearing over here. And from here, I can first check in the students. If they've already been checked in themselves or by another admin, these toggles would already be green. And so now that students are checked in, I can issue them an in-classroom presentation and associated quizzes. Presentations are created by someone at your school, and they can be in the form of a PowerPoint, Canva, or Google Doc. And to display these presentations, we would click this button right here, which is going to open a new tab with that presentation so that it can be displayed to the classroom. And then during the appropriate time during these classroom presentations, quizzes can be issued to the students. These quizzes are then available in the students portal, which they will log into using the credentials that they registered for your school with. To issue these quizzes, I'm going to open the lesson module here, and I will click this Issue Quiz button. By default, all the students that have been checked in for the day are going to be selected. If for any reason I do not want to issue the quiz to one of these students, I can simply deselect them. And I can also change the attempts that are allowed for these quizzes by adjusting this number in the bottom of this module here. Once I'm ready to issue the quiz to these students, I will hit the send button, which will then allow these quizzes to appear in the students portal, which I will show you next. In this view, I'm logged in as a student to see how the students will see the quizzes once they have been issued by the instructor. And so I am in a student's portal and I have navigated to the class theory portion, and I am able to see that I have an in-class quiz right here, and I'm able to start that by hitting the green start button. And so from here, I will see the questions that have been created by whomever at your school created this quiz. These are completely customizable by your school and can be changed at any time. So going through these quizzes as a student, I will select my answers and hit submit. If I've gotten the question incorrect, it's going to tell me as such, and I can proceed through the quizzes at my own pace. And now we're back to the instructor's view of the classroom portal. And now that the quizzes have been issued and all the students have taken the quiz, I can see a few things. I can click in here and I can see what time that quiz was issued at, how many students it was issued to, and I'm seeing that all of the students have completed that quiz. All of them got 100% and all of them got 80% or above. I can also see that information over here in the student views, where I also have the option to click in to individual students, see what quizzes they have taken and what they scored on those. And I can also see their profile pictures, so I can get that face to name recognition. Now that I've completed this lesson quiz, I can check that off and I can continue giving my presentations and issuing quizzes throughout the classroom. Thank you for watching this tutorial on the Classroom Portal. If you have any questions or would like to schedule your own live demo, feel free to reach out to us at CDL PowerSuite.